Yes, let's all give a huge round of applause to welcome Mr. Kumar RS, CEO, to give IT ideas for freight forwarders and Fresa Analytics. Let's all give a huge round of applause to have him on the dais, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening to all. Welcome to this great event of IT ideas for freight forwarders. I am so happy to see you all on this wonderful evening. Thank you for your presence. In the wonderful meet, I am going to share with you my experience in this industry and how it may benefit you to grow your business to next level. Our Fresa product is being used in around 50 plus countries. Our team has traveled to lot of cities and we had numerous interaction with the freight forwarders for business requirement and port requirements. Based on our past 25 plus years experience, we have gathered many crucial points for you all, out of which we would like to share few ideas with you. I'm confident that these points will impact your business, improve your productivity and reduce your cost. The social media presence. There is a famous quote by Eric Coleman, American author. The power of social media is it forces necessary change. Nowadays, if you want any product or service, immediately what we are doing, we are looking for a feedback and review on Google, and based on others' opinion and feedback, we are forced to take decisions. Even though our colleagues or friends or relatives provide feedbacks, we are generally not accepting it. We believe it online data, that is digital data only. So no matter you are doing small or big business, you have to be present on social media and provide digital data. This is one of the best digital marketing strategies. Here are the reasons why any business needs social media presence. Having a social media presence boosts your brand to everyone. You get to know your audience better. A good social media presence can build a strong relationship between you and your customers. With your active presence on social media, you can track your competitor as well, so that you can put your effort to stay tuned. The next one is a responsive website. The famous quote by Milton Glasser, American graphic designer. There are always three responses to piece of design: yes, no, and wow. And wow is the one aim for. A business website presence can have a massive impact on its success. Hence, to run a business, a website is mandatory and it must be responsive mode. One more quote also, the famous quote. Your website is the window of your business. Keep it fresh and keep it exciting. The home page of your website should be very informative and it should convey about your product and services. A domain name of your website should be relevant to your company name and business functionality. It impels professional credibility to your business and separate you from millions of quick websites out there. Provide visibility to your brand like front window. It will attract a customer to get into your business. Website content should be updated frequently and kept it active. This will help boost your SEO too. A good responsive website gives us more prospective customers and connections. It is pathway for your sales and knowing our target prospect customers. The email, of course, we are all aware that the email is one of most common and effective communication tools. Email one of the important method of business communication that is fast, cheap and easy to use, as it provides efficient and effective way to transmit all kinds of data. Email has an ability to that many channels don't. There is a quote by David Newman, American composer. While creating email ID, consider that they should be related to your website domain. Thereby you can promote your branding. So once the customers see the email ID, they can get to know about you, and immediately they go to website of yours and check it. Brochures. In this technology-driven world, most of companies are using brochures. Why? Brochures may give a subtle message that your business is professional, reliable, and committed to quality. It is very easy to distribute. While preparing the brochure, you have to follow the visual standard guidelines. According to your company, also it should be designed in the way that it attracts all. A good design is the best storyteller. For example, the color theme should be matched with your company theme color. The logo image should be with the company name for quick and easy identification. The flyers are quick way of grabbing customer attention. We can design and send sailing schedule and campaign documents via flyers instead of spreadsheet for easy checking. We can also post our flyers on social media, which will keep our website active and up to date based on current trends. The software. This is one of the most important part of running your business effectively, profitably and hassle-free. The application should handle day-to-day activities with data security and user-friendly accessibility. Behind every successful business, there is a great working software. It should meet the port requirements. It is responsible for local government taxes and other statutory requirements. It should provide reports and dashboards of the decision makers with the existing data. It should be able to interact with the third-party applications. It should support preparing management report using first-time data entry. Most importantly, it should be accessible anywhere at any time. Mobile apps. Everyone wants everything on their mobile phone. Likewise, if you have mobile apps, your customer can use them and book and track their shipments. It will connect directly to your ERP, allowing your team to proceed further. It will allow you to all freight and logistics activity on your fingertips. Tracking. With many options available worldwide, customer satisfaction is absolutely paramount to any company's bottom line. But how do you offer value-added service to your customers without driving up a cost? How do you keep them happy when they need their shipment quickly? Shipping partners are able to improve their customer service by providing real-time tracking information, allowing consumers to track their shipment all the time, which can add value to your services. To help with the same, we have listed real-time tracking benefits in freight logistics. Example, increase efficiency, protection of cargo, identifying delays, better on-time performance, reduction in theft, increase transparency, increase customer satisfaction, low insurance cost, optimize route. All of our customers want real-time tracking of their shipments. This is especially important when you are shipping via sea. If you don't have a real-time tracking the shipment, it can take more days before customers receive their shipments. With this feature enabled, they will be able to keep the track of where their cargoes are at any given time without having wait for updates from forwarding companies. If you provide real-time track and trace to your customers, your time will be saved and you can focus on getting more prospective business. The next important one, open source tools. There are many open source tools available in the market. Operating system. Most of our we are using Windows, Ubuntu, many operating system. Here, the open source tool, Ubuntu and other Linux, we can use Ubuntu to save money and have a secure system. Ubuntu is a free and an open source operating system. Ubuntu is more secure. Ubuntu runs without install. Ubuntu supports window styling. Ubuntu is more resource friendly. Ubuntu is completely customizable. A well-rounded operating system for desktop computing. Minimal hardware or system requirements. Email client, Thunderbird. Thunderbird has all the options like a commercial mail client. We are using Thunderbird for the past 10 years for our entire team. You can also use for your organization and save money. Here are advantages of Thunderbird. So user can open multiple tabs and easily access, same like commercial product. Office tools. Open Office, LibreOffice, WPS Office. These all are open source free software. These office tools provide professional and rich comprehensive office features, alternative for MS Office. We can use these tools to prepare documents, spreadsheet and presentation. Wide array of open source tools are available with all the options that commercial product offers. Meeting tools. Jitsi, Skype. Jitsi is a set of open source tools that allow you to easily build and deploy secure video conferencing. It will support up to 100 participants at a time. We can engage more in online business connects. Also, we can use Skype for calling purpose. One more important, there is internal communication tool, Mattermost Slack. Mattermost is open source, self-hostable online chat service with file sharing, search and integration. It's designed as an internal chat for organization and companies. Quote, the famous quote from Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft, like a human being, a company has to have an internal communication mechanism, a nervous system to coordinate its actions. We can use these tools for sharing documents, to send important messages and circulars for individuals and group usage. We can effectively use Mattermost and Slack. Data is more secure and its own environment itself. Now, see, now you all are know, we have know that analytics, data analytics, right now for any decision making or trends, analyze the trends, forecasting in future, how to do that, where cost is going, where cost is increasing, where cost is revenue is decreasing. We have to analyze your existing data. So we have created the new product, Fresa Analytics, which will give all the graphical representation of your data based on your last few years, based on your segments, based on your port trade lines, based on carrier, based on customer, based on salesperson, wherever you want to know, summarize, analyze the data. So we are providing new Fresa Analytics software. Just I'm going to share few slides about that one. This can be integrated with any software. This is open even through Excel sheet. Also, you can upload and take the analyze, or we can integrate it to our existing software also. So currently we started, and this product is available. Just I'm giving our product. What are the features available? Analytics tools. We can branch-based analysis, overall summary. And this is the main advantage of this. This can be customizable as per your customer requirements, main home page or any screenshot, any dashboard as per your company requirements. Just this already the product is available right now. This one, like a profitability, you can see branch wise, month wise, department wise, even year filter, month filter, your sales customer wise, top 10 customer, top 10 salesperson, so branch wise. So complete analytics can be done. This all is not a fixed one, it's a customizable as per customer requirements. This is based on sales inquiry, how many inquiries, branch wise, status wise, what is the status currently, month wise. So you can view it. This is as per quotation, your conversion. This one. Like financial also, you can see total income and expenditure, receivable, payable, aging, analyze. And this is your LCL, FCL, air freight performance also month wise with the compared to number of shipment, compared against total GP. And whenever you click any of particular month, you will get even detail part also. In particular month, you can get it or top 10 salesperson or top 10 port per shipments, top 10 customer, like that. This can be done in the Fresa Analytics. One more thing I want to share with you all. So far, based on last 10 years, we have created Fresa Express, then we upgraded to Fresa Classic and Express 2.0. Right now we have provided Fresa Gold. Now we are developing Fresa Global product. It's going to be available in another 6 to 8 months time. This will give, this is right now it's in developing stage. This will give complete customizable, because in this industry, some customers are doing this different way, another customer is in different way. All the customers are not doing the same way. Each customers are specific. You have the specific FCL, one customer only you are doing FCL, another customer they are doing only air freight, another customers only doing import side. So now this product, what is the main advantage of this product? We are never going to say no for any customer change request. That means as per customer request, we are going to accept the changes as per the specific industry or your company specific. We will do the changes in this new product. That is global, the corporate level, multi-company, multi-branch, multi-currency, with all the analytics part, everything will cover in this product, and with connect integration with the latest trend. Any API, any other third-party software can be integrated to the new system, and even chat facility, calling facility, like that also we are going to include in that one. Definitely that will cover all corporate level, any type of business in our industry. Definitely it will support for you. Hope we are also expecting support from you all. Thanks for providing this opportunity to share our ideas and thoughts and new products side. If you have any queries, always we are here. You can ask us. Thank you very much.
Check. Thank you, Kumar, sir, for joining. Thank you so much.